In this video, I'm going to show you how to block your Shopify store from Minea, so a tool used for product research and store tracking. If you want to keep your store private and prevent competitors from spying on your products and ads, follow these steps carefully. So first, let's understand how Minea tracks stores. So Minea and similar tools use web crawlers to scrape Shopify store data, and blocking these crawlers prevent them from accessing your site's content. And now, Shopify allows limited customization of the robots.txt file to block unwanted bots. But first, make sure you are logged into the Shopify admin panel. Unfortunately, I can show you directly the process onto the admin panel because of the restrictions here in Shopify. So once you are logged in, assumingly, click on the online store, and then under that is the themes. Select on that and then click the edit code on your active theme. Now look for the robots.txt.liquid file and then add the following lines to block known Minea crawlers. Plain text, and then copy edit, and then user slash agent, and then Minea bot, and then disallow, and then slash, and then click save to apply the changes. And then if you don't want to edit code manually, you can use apps like Blocky for fraud country blocker, and then the traffic guard apps that help block suspicious bots, including Minea. And then if you're using a Cloudflare, you can set up a firewall rule. You can go to the security and then the web application firewall and then create a rule blocking request from known data scrapers. And you can also block suspicious IPs in Shopify's IP blocker if available in some security apps. And now visit Minea and check if your stores is still visible. If it still appears, wait or a few hours or tweak your security settings further. And that's it. That's how you block your Shopify store from Minea by updating your robots.txt file. Using security apps and enabling firewall protection, you can keep your store data private. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.